Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to get this free app, this one, from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Now you can mute. You can mute the music by tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Choose Settings at the top and tap on I accept in the pop-up. Then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And click on the bottom right corner again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen Only. Now when I swipe up from the bottom and click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!